everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz. Hello. And if you're a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. Today I am unboxing the first time I have tried HelloFresh. Ordered it last week on Saturday and got it today, so a week later. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, it is a subscription service for food delivery where they give you the recipes and everything you need to set up the meals, and you get it once a week and you just prep the meals as you would like them. No shopping needed. Everything is included. This is not sponsored, but you know, if they want to sponsor me, I got you. All I did was open up the top. I started taking the papers out and thought, why not do this as a video? Then I had co-sign from my mom, so now it's a video. We're gonna learn together today. We have the meal plan for 4 meals a week just for 2 servings, so it's not that big of a box. If you have more meals and more people, you may have 2 boxes or 3 or a larger box. I'm not sure. Now normally our meal plan would be like $50 or $70, but it was about 50 and some change because I had a promo code from Pretty Basic, which is the podcast from Alisha Marie and Remi Cruz, which gave me $20 off for 3 weeks. So when you first open it up, there's like a whole bunch of papers. Say hello to the freshest deals in town. Okay, so then next, it looks like these are our recipes that we ordered, which I don't even remember what we ordered, so we'll learn together. So the first thing we got was cranberry apple pork chops with roasted baby carrots and herb potatoes. Basically, when you go on the website, they have about 16, maybe 20 recipes you can pick from. Some of them are like a premium, I guess, where they can be charged an extra $5.99 a person for those. But we just stuck with the basic ones that aren't extra. And it'll show you the picture of the meal, and you can also like click on it so that you can read the directions and everything and see if it's something that's too much of a task for you, and it'll have a rating of what the difficulty of it is to cook it. So there's that. On the front side, there's the picture of what it should look like. Who knows if it's gonna come out like that. And then on the back is a step-by-step pictures of how you should be preparing each thing. So like the first one is wash all the produce and chop it up. So it has a picture of washing all the produce and chopping it up. Then the next one is figgy balsamic pork with roasted green beans and rosemary potatoes. Basically, we tried to get things that would be the best bang for our buck. So a lot of meat options here. Swedish meatloaves with mashed potatoes, roasted carrots, and currant jam. Never heard of currant jam, but Swedish meatballs are really good, especially from IKEA. Love those. Blackened chicken penne with charred poblano and Monterey Jack cheese. Basically, it's like pasta. And everything is in bags, and it's labeled blackened chicken penne, so you know, I guess your blackened chicken is in here and your penne noodles. Then we have the figgy balsamic pork, Swedish meatloaves, cranberry apple pork chop. Then there's a little board separating the stuff. This is ice. It's an ice packet. Cut a corner, empty non-toxic contents in the trash and recycle plastic. Ice packet in there. Really, really cold. There's 2 of them. Here's the boneless pork chops in this pack. There's 2. Pork tenderloin. Ground beef. And chicken breast strips. This like material right here is to keep everything cold. It's basically surrounding in the inside of the entire box. And then the ice packet things are on the bottom, which will come really handy for something else. And in these bags is probably everything that is not the meat. So like for the cranberry apple pork chops, the cranberries, the apples, that currant jam, the onions are in here, the potatoes. Like I said, you get everything you need to make the meal. And here are the carrots that are supposed to go. They're already skinned and they're ready to cook. Everything is ready for you to cook. All you have to do is cook it. Potatoes in here. And there's a packet for the dried cranberries. Ground cinnamon. This is a chicken sauce. Onion. Apple. And fall harvest spice blend. So we usually don't have time to go to the grocery store. We barely have time to cook anything, but at least if it's being delivered right to our door, then we'll be able to just go ahead, take everything out, follow the directions, and cook it. And you decide for yourself if you want to go ahead and get the meals that are more difficult or easy. Maybe if it's a weekend day, you have more time. Maybe you don't have any time, so you can get like the 30-minute meals or the ones that take longer. And then you just have all your meats and everything, pop them in the freezer, take them out when you need them. So I would highly recommend it so far. We'll see how the meals actually taste, but it seems like a very valuable service, even paying full price for it, $70 a week for 4 meals for 2 people. That seems pretty good to me. We spend probably over $70 on takeout. So again, my name is Liz. Welcome back to me and you. It's been a while. Why don't you follow me on all my social media? That'll be linked down below and somewhere around here on the screen. You can also subscribe down below. Just hit that red button down there and click the bell if you haven't already. And again, see you next time. Bye.